From Battered to Beautiful, the restoration of the Elizabeth Ruth. It was supposed to be a routine maintenance and bottom paint job for the Elizabeth Ruth this past fall in Port Townsend, Washington. A quick shave and a haircut, as her owner puts it. She should be out of the water about a week. But what ensued was far from routine. As the vessel was hauled out of the water, a haunting discovery was made. Although the last haul-out was done just 3 years prior, the previous coat of bottom paint had failed badly, turning this routine task into a now seemingly insurmountable challenge. We could never have anticipated the extent of the damage. Initially, it almost felt overwhelming, says her owner, Paul. But against mounting odds, including a pending dramatic shift in the northwest weather, Paul and his crew were determined to prevail and make the Elizabeth Ruth new again. The vessel was moved into place in the yard and blocked. Then the planning and labor began. It would take 19 days and nights of almost non-stop work. To ensure no escape of hazardous materials, over 2,000 square feet of heavy-duty tarps and plastic were used. It was meticulously sealed with another 2,000 linear feet of reinforced tape, which was affixed to 16 different 2,500-pound marine blocks. A web made of blue steel line was carefully secured around the vessel, followed by 4,000 square feet of reinforced plastic for extra protection. That was followed by more reinforced tape around the topsides to secure it, along with heavy lines stretched around the vessel to uphold the plastic. With the arrival of the blast equipment and filter unit by semi-truck, the restoration process was truly set in motion. The filter itself was roughly 6 feet by 6 feet square by 7 feet high with a 22-inch pipe. Day and night, the crew blasted away layers of damaged paint, using approximately 12,000 pounds of blast material to bring her hull to bare steel. On the final 15-hour day of blasting, the first coat of 2-part epoxy was also applied. Over the next several days, that was followed by 4 more coats of epoxy to thoroughly shield the steel bottom. Then the final coats of the highest quality bottom paint were applied, and new zincs installed all the way around. After weeks of relentless effort, an exhausted crew, and far more resources than were originally planned, the Elizabeth Ruth emerged transformed. A stunning example of commitment and perseverance. She is ready now to conquer the seas once again. For at least another 30 years. With confidence. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating yacht and yachting lifestyle stories and videos.